Ever find yourself wondering why dating has to be so complicated? It's a common conundrum for many women navigating the tricky waters of romantic relationships. The fear of rejection can loom large, making it tough to put yourself out there. Then, there's the challenge of deciphering another person's intentions. Is it just casual, or is there something more? And of course, keeping the relationship strong is a whole other battle. But fear not, dating doesn't have to be a mystery. Here are some practical and actionable advice. Firstly, it's crucial to understand your self-worth. It's the compass that guides us through the rocky terrain of the dating world. The strength and depth of your self-love and self-esteem set the tone for how others perceive and treat you. When you truly grasp your value, you set clear boundaries, steering clear from toxic relationships that drain your energy. You know what you deserve, and you refuse to settle for anything less. This doesn't mean you're demanding or entitled. It means you respect yourself enough to demand respect from others. Understanding your worth also attracts the right kind of partners. People who appreciate you for who you are, not just what you look like or what you can do for them. These individuals cherish your strengths, understand your weaknesses, and support your growth. So, in the quest for love, don't forget to love yourself first. Because when you do, you'll find that the world loves you back in the most unexpected ways. Remember, you are deserving of respect and kindness. Always. Next up, never underestimate the power of communication. It's the golden ticket that can unlock the door to a harmonious relationship. It's the tool that can help resolve misunderstandings before they snowball into major conflicts. It's the medium that allows you to express your feelings, your wants, and your needs. When you communicate effectively, you build a bond that's strong, resilient, and deeply satisfying. So how do you communicate better? Firstly, be open. Share your thoughts, your dreams, your fears. Let your partner into your world. Secondly, be honest. Honesty fosters trust, and trust strengthens the bond. Lastly, be assertive. Speak up for yourself. Let your voice be heard. Assert your needs without being aggressive. Remember, you have the right to express your feelings and to have your needs met. Communication isn't just about talking. It's about listening, understanding, and responding. It's about connecting on a deeper level. Good communication is the foundation of any successful relationship. Patience, they say, is a virtue, and in the dating world, it's a must. It's easy to feel rushed, to feel like everyone else is settling down while you're still searching. But remember, every person's journey is unique, and it's okay to take your time. Why is patience so crucial? Because finding the right partner isn't about speed, it's about quality. It's about finding someone who truly aligns with your values, your goals, your dreams, and that takes time. So don't rush the process. Instead, embrace it. Relish in the journey of self-discovery and growth that dating can offer. Staying positive is equally important. It can be challenging when dates don't go as planned or when you face rejection. But remember, every experience is a learning opportunity. Every disappointment brings you one step closer to finding the right person. How to stay patient and positive? Start by practicing self-care. This could be anything from a calming yoga session to a simple walk in the park. Prioritize your mental and emotional health. Focus on personal growth. Use this time to learn more about yourself, to cultivate new skills, to pursue your passions. This not only makes you happier, but also more attractive to potential partners. And of course, maintain a supportive social circle. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who remind you of your worth, and who encourage you to keep going even when the going gets tough. So stay patient, stay positive, and remember, good things take time. So, to wrap it up, let's revisit the pearls of wisdom we've gleaned today. First and foremost, understanding your self-worth is crucial. Remember, you're a gem. Your value isn't determined by anyone's perception but your own. Don't allow anyone to make you feel less than the extraordinary person you are. Next, let's not forget the power of communication. It's the backbone of any relationship. Speak your mind, express your feelings, and never shy away from tough conversations. It's through these dialogues that we understand and grow with our partners. Lastly, but certainly not least, patience and positivity are your best friends in the dating world. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are meaningful relationships. Stay optimistic, even when the going gets tough. It's all part of the journey. With these tips, navigate the dating world with confidence and grace. Remember, the right person is worth the wait.